Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the appearance of your Linktree profile. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Well, as you can see, at the right side, this right here is my profile for Linktree. I'm gonna show you guys how to change it. At the left side of the screen, just below shop, you will see a button like this called as appearance. Click on it. Now from here, you guys have multiple options. You can look at the profile section or simply scroll down, and this right here is the themes. Do note that you can simply select the themes that are available. Well, in order to use some of them, you need to be subscribed to the pro version, but still there are others that you can use. And guys, that's about it. In case you want to create your own theme, simply scroll down to the very bottom, and from here you can choose the custom appearance like backgrounds. You can scroll down, select its color. You can also select the pattern's color as well. Well, as you can see, there are lots of options. You can simply experiment around with it. That is it, guys. That's the gist of it. This is how you customize your appearance for your Linktree profile. That's about it, guys. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.